My name is Clark Meyer Jr. I am a software engineer at an electric vehicle startup.
What kind of jobs do computer graduate or do computer science grads usually get?
Computer science grads, I think most of them go into software engineering. There are some other fields that they can go into, like IT, data science, stuff like that, but I think the vast majority of them go to software engineering.
Okay, now what does that mean for the lay people? You know, the people who don't really understand what software engineering is.
Software engineering, basically, these are the people that write code for the apps and programs that you use every day on your laptop, on your phone, on the internet, whatever it is. A software engineer writes the code that makes that thing function, whether it's Python, Swift, JavaScript, or something else. They're doing some type of code writing.
Okay, now how is that kind of code writing applicable in your job sense?
Um, I write a lot of code for different things. I mean, we have a mobile app where some of the code we have cloud backend where I write some of the code. I mean, we have different web interfaces that I'm involved with too. And I guess really the big part here isn't necessarily the code writing, but a lot of it is architecting a system and trying to understand how to kind of build or how to sort of put together these software engineering components to build this scalable system that a bunch of people can sign up for. So I guess sometimes it's writing code, but sometimes it's whiteboarding things. It's talking with your coworkers, trying to figure out how to get something built at scale.
Okay, now what kind of tips do you have for upcoming computer science grads? You know,
Upcoming computer science grads should probably go study leet code questions and generally try and practice software engineering interview skills. So that includes things like introducing yourself and talking about the sort of projects that you've worked on. It's also learning how to answer whiteboarding sort of questions where someone asks you, for example, how do you reverse a string? That's like a simple one. You should be studying that kind of stuff. And I think also working on side projects is really important. Having a portfolio is pretty good.